Hello everyone, welcome to engineering classes. Today we will start with vector integral calculus. So first one is line integral. Here we will understand every theorem with the help of example. Now let's take first example. So first example is evaluate f dr where f is this and its boundary conditions are given, that is x is equal to plus minus 1 and y is equal to plus minus 1. Here x is equal to 1 and here x is equal to minus 1. Here y is equal to 1 and here y is equal to minus 1. So here in this point x is equal to 1 is there and y is equal to 1 is there and y is equal to 1 is there, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. If we have to find the closed line integral of any function, we have to divide that function in terms of its lines. Like here 4 lines are there, like AB, BC, CD plus DA, that is f dot dr, f dot dr, f dot dr. So like this we will find the closed line integral of this function. So we will move like this. Firstly we find line integral of this AB, then this BC, then CA, then CD, then DA. This will move like this. Like this we will find the closed line integral of this function. Here along AB, x is 1 and y is from minus 1 to 1. Here x is equal to 1, y is varying, that is from minus 1 to 1. Here if x is 1, then dx will be 0. If you differentiate it, it will come out to be 0 because it's constant. So according to numerical, fx is x square plus xy dx plus x square plus y square is equal to dy. That is from f dot dr from a to b. Here dx is 0, so put it here 0. So this term will get cancelled. This is 0. We will get 0 plus this term only. Here very important thing, only y is varying from minus 1 to 1. So we have to integrate it from minus 1 to 1. We have to integrate the line integral along the axis, it gets varied. Here this is x term, x is 1. So replace it with 1. So 1 in place of x plus y square dy. Just integrate it and you will get your answer. This will be y plus y cube by 3 minus 1 to 1. So closed line integral from a to b comes out to be 8 by 3. Here b to c, x is varying from 1 to minus 1, x is from 1 to minus 1 and y is constant, that is 1. So dy will be 0. So f dot dr along BC. So firstly write function along BC. So here dy is 0, put 0 in place of dy. So this term will get cancelled. We will left with only dx term. So here we will integrate it with respect to dx. So x is from 1 to minus 1. Just write it down and write its y value. Y is 1. Now just integrate it and we will left with along CD. Here x is minus 1 and y is 1 to minus 1. Here dx is 0. If we put dx is equal to 0, then this term will get cancelled. We are only left with x square plus y square is equal to dy along CD. Here x is minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1 plus y square dy. It's from 1 to minus 1, 1 to minus 1. You can do it from minus 1 to 1. For that just put minus sign here. This is a property that we have studied in class 12th. If you have to reverse the limit, then you have to put minus sign here. So just integrate it. It will come out to be so value of integral along CD comes out to be minus 8 by 3. Now last step, along DA, y-axis is minus 1 and x varying from minus 1 to 1. Here y is minus 1 and x is varying from minus 1 to 1 and dx is dy is 0. Now put minus 1 in place of y. This will come out to be this will come out to be 2 by 3. Now to find the closed line integral of a function plus add the line integrals. AB value is 8 by 3, BC value is minus 2 by 3, CD value is minus 8 by 3 and DA value is, this will come out to be 0. So closed line integral of this function comes out to be 0. Now second example, evaluate FDR. Function is this and y square value is given. Now function value is this, dr value is dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Put it here. So take divergence. In first place we have not taken divergence because we are given with boundary condition, so we have to plot these boundary conditions. We are given with this function. Here we are given with value of y square. Here no boundary conditions are there. In fact we are given with value of y, so y square is 4x. Put it. And another thing, here this y we have to also replace, so for that we will do x square is equal to 4x. Now differentiate it so that we get value of dx and dy also. Y dy comes out to be 2 dx. Replace it with 2 dx. In x plane, here we are given with limit from 0 0 to 4 4. So it's from 0 to 4. Now integrate it. Sorry, this is 2, so this will be 2x. Here this is 2 dx, so it will be 2x. 0 to 4, this will be x. This is 2x. So it will come out to be 264. So next question, given the vector function this, the line integral evaluated along the segment on x-axis from 1 to 2 is, here they denoted r with L. Here the vector function this, the line integral f dl evaluated along the segment of x-axis from 1 to x is equal to 2 is, function is this and dl value is that I told you that dr value is this. Here they have denoted r with L, so it doesn't matter. In this case they have denoted I with ax, so this will be dx ax dy ay plus dz az. dx ax plus dy ay plus dz az. Now take divergence. This is GATE 2013 EE 1 marks question. In GATE questions they made some changes to confuse the students, as like they have denoted I value with ax, ijk value with dx, dy, dz. Now take divergence. This will be y square x dy dx minus, here x limit is from 1 to 2, x is from 1 to 2, but we are not given with y and z value, so y and z will be 0, then dy will be 0, dz will also be 0. If dy and dz 0, it means these terms get cancelled and we are left with only this term, dx term. This will be y square x dx from 1 to 2, 1 to 2. But here in this case y is 0, so here if we put y is equal to 0, this will be 0, so answer comes out to be 0. 1 to 2 and this is 0. Another example, function is this, along the path from 0 0 0 to 1 parameterized by t square t. this is x, y and z value. Now take divergence. Here x value is given t, here x value is given t, y t square and z t. Here this 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 t value and t is from 0 to 1. Now put this value here, it will be 5 tq. Here x and y, x and z are tt, so it will be t 5 t square dx plus 3 x square is t, so it will be t square. Y value is t square, so it will be 2t square dy plus z value is t, so it will be x square, it means t square, and this t, it means t cube. Firstly solve this. You can integrate it like this, but after solving it, it will be easier. I am doing it like this. You can do as you want to. It will be t value is given 0 to 1. Put it here also 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Now I made some mistake. We have calculated x, y and z value, but we forgot to calculate dx, dy, dz value. So this will be dx value will be dt, dy value will be 2t dt and z value will be dt. Here we can't solve it with dx, dy, dz. We have to replace it with t. So dx value is dt. So it will be, I am writing again. Now forget this part. This will be 0 to 1 5t square dt in place of dx, 5t square in place of dy, 2t dt, t cube in place of z dt. Now solve it. This will be 5t cube by 3 plus this will be 0 to 1 5t square dt plus 10t cube by dt plus t cube dt. This will be 5t square dt plus 11t cube by dt, 0 to 1. Now solve it. It will be 5t cube by cube plus 11t4 by 4 from 0 to 1. This will be 5 by 3 plus 11 by 53 by 12, and we can write it as 4.41. 2016 electrical question, 2 mark.